Hi everyone, my name is Sue Fassler. I'm the Sustainable Facilities Manager here at ESF. For about 3 years now I've been making my own deodorant. I know there's many people on campus who do that too, but in case you want to try a different recipe or maybe you want to try this for the first time, I thought I would put together a really quick video to show you how it's done. So this recipe is built for people with sensitive skin and it's from olardy.com. So here we go. Working off a recipe here. So we first start with 1 tablespoon of baking soda. Just put it in our glass bowl. And then next it's 2 tablespoons of bentonite clay. So this is something that draws toxins out of your body, and I get ingredients like this from Mountain Rose Herbs, but you can get them from many other stores. I think Amazon sells some, but I really try to go for ethically sourced and sustainable whenever possible. And so we're just gonna mix all these ingredients here together. Next up, we have 6 tablespoons of arrowroot powder. So this consistency-wise feels a lot like cornstarch. It's kind of squeaky in your fingers. And then so next, we've got 5 tablespoons of coconut oil. So sorry about the pause there. I got a call. We can blame Rex for that. So where we left off is we're gonna add our 5 tablespoons of coconut oil. So this, if your house is cold like mine is today, coconut oil was hard, so we had to melt it. And the way that I usually do that, I can do it in the microwave or I create like a double boiler, which you can Google. It's pretty easy to do on your stovetop, where you heat up a pan of water and then place a bowl or something in or above the heated up water. So that's another way to heat something if you don't have a microwave, and some people prefer that. So we just add that directly in with the dry ingredients. And then you don't have to add a scent, but if you want something, I usually go with lavender. I've experimented with some different scents. Eucalyptus or peppermint didn't work super well for me. Made me smell pretty funky. So lavender seems to be a safe bet, and I keep going back to it. So I just add 5 or 10 drops. And then it is the fun part. You just get to reach in and mix everything together. And so if it's a warm day, which it hopefully will be here pretty soon for the summer, this deodorant will stick with this consistency, this really nice melted consistency that's really easy to put on. And in the winter it will harden up into more of a ball, but it is really, really easy to chip some deodorant away with your fingers, and then the minute it kind of comes in contact with your skin, it melts, since it does have that coconut oil base. So this is pretty much the finished product. You can get bentonite clay of different colors, and that will change the color of the deodorant. So I haven't really had any problem with any clothes staining. You do still sweat with this. It's not an antiperspirant, but we're supposed to sweat. It's one of our body's normal functions. It helps keep you cool and healthy. So yeah, I've had really great success with this. I lived in Florida for a few years, and I would run outside all the time, and I would put this on in the beginning of the day and then right before a workout, and I haven't really had any problems at all. So I've used it, as I mentioned, for about 3 years, and I love it. So let me know if you have any questions, and let me know what scents you try and if you like it. So thank you. I hope you're well. Bye. So I should have mentioned how I store this. I just have a random sized little glass jar with a lid, so it's really easy to bring with me. So in the morning I just dip my fingers in, get some deodorant, not nearly this much, and then I apply it directly with my hands to my armpits, and it works really, really well. So, all right, over and out for real.